Hello guys, welcome to the channel Learn Think Right. From today we will be learning HTML. So let us see what is HTML. HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. Okay, H stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So this is the meaning of hypertext HTML. Why to learn HTML? If suppose you want to become a web developer, if you want to develop your own website, then you can do it with the help of HTML. Now next is who can learn HTML. HTML can be learned by any learning student above the high school, or even nowadays smaller kids are also learning HTML, because you need not have experience of any kind of programming language. Okay, simply with the help of HTML tags or elements you can develop a full website. So that is the benefit of learning HTML. So this was about the HTML. Now we'll see the basic format of HTML. Let us see. So the full HTML code is written inside HTML tag. So the HTML is not case sensitive as in most of the programming languages. So this is HTML tag, and every tag is included in between angular braces. Okay, this was the format of HTML tag. Every code starts with HTML and ends with HTML. Now there comes header part. Okay, that is head. Now in this head we are going to write title. Suppose I write my title first HTML page. Okay, then I close my title. Then comes the body. Okay, I have to close my head first. Then comes body. Okay, in body I am writing, suppose, heading my first page, then close the header tag. So whichever tag you open, you have to close the tag. Closed, then close body, close HTML. So where will be the title displayed? If you display some web page, you see some title on the title bar. So there it is going to display first HTML page, and then it is the message my first page will be displayed in H1. So we'll see the header tags. Okay, it will be displayed in like heading. So what will be the output? My first page. Now how to save this, where to write this? You have to write the HTML code in the notepad. Okay, open notepad, create a file, write the code and save it with the help of extension HTML. Don't forget this. Okay, and simply open it in any web browser. You will see the output. In next video I am going to share the tutorial for this one, the practical for this one. So don't forget to go through that. So this was all about your first HTML code. So it is easier. Anyone can write it without any experience of any programming. Hope to see you in upcoming videos. Till then, subscribe the channel.